Hey guys, Sangmalola Tashile, Sawadee ka, Ngemingla Yi, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I am in my backyard and we are finally starting on our vegetable garden project today. So today we'll be heading off to Home Depot to pick up some of the stuff that we will need to make the vegetable garden. So we'll need containers, we'll need soil, fertilizer, and I'm also going to be picking up some more herbs and vegetables as well from there. And yeah, today is a really beautiful day out. As you can see, the sun is up in the sky and it's a lovely day to get out of the house. Really hoping that this vegetable garden will work out for us and that by the end of the summer we'll have a lot of harvest. Having said that, let's get going. Alright, we're back here at Home Depot. Another beautiful day. It looks like they have more stuff though. A lot more people as well. Yeah. The other day we came, they didn't have this many plants out. Ooh, these trees are pretty. Alright, Mr. Tsering has a trolley. Oh look, they have a bunch of herbs over there. Yeah. Yeah, we can have a browse. Oh, here are the tomatoes.
Big beef hybrid tomatoes.
Oh, cool.
Oh, these are cherry tomatoes. Right?
I don't think
These are
lettuce. These are salad mixes.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
These are like, yeah.
So, we can actually grab some of these later on. Broccoli.
I would like to get plant some cherry tomatoes.
Yeah. They have the bell peppers here too.
Bell peppers.
Here, cherry tomatoes.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, they're so cute. 4 for 10.
4 for 10.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, so I guess you can mix and match. They have chilies as well.
These sweet peppers.
Yeah.
Jalapeno.
Alright, let's just go and see the containers first, I guess. Pretty flowers. Oh, so pretty. Yeah. Oh, these are beautiful flowers.
Put the dirt in here so it looks like you can grow like tomatoes. These are $30, so we can just get like maybe this one is for tomatoes.
Okay, so we've decided to go with 3 of these planters right here because they're easy for us to just move around the garden whenever there's like enough sun, wherever the sun hits in our backyard. Yeah, so you can plant tomatoes, peppers, herbs. This is good enough for us. Okay, so we got our containers to plant our herbs in. Now we're gonna grab some soil. What about these ones here? So many options. Organic. Yeah.
This is good?
Yeah. Yay. Done. Okay, so we need to pick up a fertilizer now for our vegetable patch. That's another one, all-purpose fertilizer. Yeah, I think we should be good with that. But that's a bunch of other options. Ooh, such pretty flowers. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we should be good with the container and the soil now. I want to grab a few more herbs, potted plants, before we leave. So let me just go grab a cart. So get some cherry tomatoes. Let's get 2 of these. 2. And some sweet mint as well. Definitely Thai basil, yes. And also some chives, sweet basil. So Thai basil, this is mint, 2 cherry tomatoes, and this is chives, and this is like normal basil.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we are finally done with the shopping for the vegetable gardens. We're gonna head home now and probably gonna start planting them. The weather's so nice. So yeah, this is a good progress so far.
Okay, so what is this?
Spinach.
Spinach. Sweet basil.
Yeah, sweet basil.
Cherry tomatoes. Chives. Thai basil. And this is sweet banana.
Yeah, pepper.
Pepper.
Yeah. So we're gonna start off with these guys first and see how they do, and then yeah, eventually add more to our collection. Let's go home. Okay, we're back home now, and here are all of our herbs and Minzy. I put her there just to play with her. Hey, Minji. Yay! So we'll start off with these first. Alright guys, so here are the first batch of the herbs and vegetables that I just planted. That was a lot of work. So here we have the spinach, the sweet basil, Thai basil, sweet mint and chives, and over here we have the sweet banana peppers, and next to that is the shishito peppers. And at the back here I think I planted the bush beans here and the cucumbers here, and these 2 guys here are the cherry tomato plants. The reason why it took me this long is because I was trying to figure out which herbs and vegetables should be planted next to which. If you plant the wrong herbs or vegetables next to each other, it would stunt the other vegetable growth, and yeah, the plant won't grow as well. So yeah, hopefully I've done the right thing by placing these guys next to each other. I guess we'll have to see in a few weeks to see how they do. Hey guys, so it's been about 4 days since I planted the first batch of the vegetables and herbs, and we actually just came back from Home Depot with a new batch of more vegetables and herbs that I decided to pick up. So here I have kale. I got 2 plants of kale, 2 pots of kale right here. Next we have, these are the slicing tomatoes, and I have 2 pots of these as well. So the ones that I already planted were the cherry tomatoes that we can snack on, and these are more for cooking. And last but not least, I also managed to grab some chilies. This is the red chili, the red chili hot peppers. So I've always wanted to grow some chilies, because obviously we're an Asian household and we cannot live without chilies. And then I also have a bunch of seeds here. I got the okra and also the bok choy. I also found these really pretty seeds for the flowers that I want to try and to plant as well. So yes, today, this afternoon, I am going to try and plant these guys first, and then also these 2 as well. Alright guys, so I finally finished planting all the new veggies and herbs. So here they are. We have the kale back there, and over here are the bok choy. Over here we have the red chilies and the spring onions, and over here are the 2 okras that I'm trying to seed. A bunch of cilantros here, and in this bucket, this is my tomato bucket. So we have the 2 cherry tomatoes up front, and at the back we have the cooking tomatoes, or the slicing tomatoes. Quite happy with the progress so far. I'm really hopeful that it will eventually give us a lot of harvest. Like I said, we are complete beginners, so I guess just keep fingers crossed and hope for the best. Anyway guys, this is the end of this vlog. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a like, and yeah, just let me know in the comment section below what you guys think I should or we should include in our collection. Anyway, thank you so much again for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye! Sawadee ka!